In this question, OA vector equals to A vector and OB equals to B vector. This is the diagram. We have to find out this one. Like we have to find out AB, AP, then AB, COQ, DPO. This one we will find. And this is the question. A, B, and N are midpoints. A, B, and N are the midpoints of A is the midpoint of OP, and B is the midpoint of OQ, and N is the midpoint of PQ, respectively. Okay. Now start. So first one, A number, AP. OA equals to A. A is the midpoint of OP. So definitely AP also OA. AP also OA. That means if it is A, this one also A. So we can write AP equals to A vector. Because A is the midpoint of OP, OA equals to A vector. So AP also A vector. This part also A vector. Okay. Now B number, AB vector. AB vector, think AB is the resultant vector. What we learn, resultant vector come, the first vector tail join is the second vector nose or head. So AB vector equals to, we can write AO vector plus OB vector. AO equals to A vector but direction opposite, that's why it will be minus A vector. A equals to minus A and OB equals to B. So we can find AB vector equals to minus A plus B vector. Think again. AB is the resultant vector. AB is the resultant vector, and this resultant vector come addition of two vectors. The first vector tail joined with the second vector head. The first vector tail is A point, so it will be AO plus OB. It will be AO plus OB. AO equals to negative A and OB equals to B. That's why AB vector equals to minus A plus B. Now C number, OQ. OQ equals to OB vector plus BQ vector. OB is B and BQ also B. Why? Because B is the midpoint of OQ. So as OB equals to B, this one is B, that means it will be 2B vector. Or we can say OQ is the, or we can write OQ is the 2 times of OB, 2 times of OB. That means as B is the midpoint, so OQ equals to 2 times of OB, so it will be 2A vector. We can think in this way also. Now D number, PO. PO equals to negative OP, right? P equals to negative OP. So minus OP equals to 2 times of OA, so it will be minus 2A vector. Now E number, PQ. Think PQ is the resultant vector. How we get PQ vector? We'll get PQ equals to PU vector plus OQ vector. PQ means PO plus OQ. The first vector tail joined with the last vector head. So PU equals to minus 2A and OQ equals to 2B. So it will be PQ equals to minus 2A plus 2B. Equals to a Pn vector. So Pn equals to half of PQ, half of PQ, half PQ equals to minus 2A vector plus 2B vector. So it will be minus A vector plus B vector. Now G number, ON vector. ON vector, we can write OP plus PN. ON vector equals to OP plus PN vector. OP equals to 2A and Pn equals to minus A plus B. So it will be A vector plus B vector. Now H number, AN vector. AN vector, this one, you can write it N means, N is the resultant vector, so you can write AP vector plus PN vector. AP equals to A vector and Pn equals to minus A plus B, so it will be V vector. BP vector. BP vector, BP means BU plus OP. You can write BP means BO vector plus OP vector. BU equals to negative B and OP equals to 2A. Or we can arrange 2A minus B vector. And J, QA vector. QA vector means this one is QA. QA vector means QO plus OA vector. Q equals to minus 2B and OA equals to A vector. One thing you have to remember when you get the resultant vector, like if you want PQ vector, PQ is the resultant vector thing. That means resultant vector always you get the first vector tail join with the second vector head. So this one is the tail of the first vector. When you think about PU, and this one will be the head of the second vector. So PQ means PO plus OQ. We have to think in this way. Vector addition is very important over there. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.